Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I descale my Breville espresso machine, and I actually do this like 3 to 4 times a year whenever there's a sign for the descaling, the clean descale sign over here. So right now it's turned off because I have to turn it off. And I just took out the water tank here. It has some water. I need to throw this water. And I also have to pull the filter out. So I'm going to be changing, I'm going to be empty this tank here and then use half bottle of this coffee machine descaler by Espresso that I just got from Amazon. It comes 2 in 1 packet, so 2 bottles. Actually the product just came in too. So I bought this for about it wasn't that expensive. I think it was like $19 or $17. I'm gonna put up the link in the description box below. So yeah, I'm using this one. I haven't used this one before. I think I used a separate one, a different one last time. So it's basically removing the mineral buildup here. So I hope it does the same work. So let me go and clean this tank and then I'll come back. So as you can see, the water tank is empty now. So I'm going to be pouring half a bottle of this descaler in this tank. And make sure it's half. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to be pouring half the bottle. Let's see, it's not there yet. So it's half now. So I'm gonna be saving this for my other session. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna be filling up this tank up until here, which says here max, and then start my descaling process. Okay. So as you can see, my water tank is full. Now I'm going to place it over here at the back and start the process. Oops. Okay. So the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting my machine to descaling mode. And how I do that is by pressing the power and the double shot button at once. And I'm going to be showing you. I just need to put my camera down. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting the machine to descaling mode by pressing the power and the double shot button together. Okay, and as you can see here, the one shot button will light up like that. So what you're going to do now is you're going to press the one shot button and it will start to pour or clean up. And make sure, you can use a tray, or I usually like to do it with my something below so that it takes all the water and then I can easily clean it up. So it might take a few seconds here. So it's done. Now the next step you want to do is you want to turn on the steamer on, for which you're going to use this one right here. Just turn it on like that. Just put it over there. This might take a few seconds again. Okay. Now the next step you're going to do is put the drain the water. So okay, so that completes one cycle. Now you're going to repeat the same cycle until you're done with the water tank. So you need to make sure that you are emptying up the water tank, and that will complete the descaling process. Let me repeat the cycle again and I'll come back to you when the tank is empty. Okay, so I just got done emptying up the tank here. I just have a little bit of it, but doesn't I have to throw it away, and I'm gonna clean this up and then come back with the clean water. So I have some water here. Now what I'm gonna do is I also bought some cleaning tablets from Amazon again, and that comes with 8 filters if I'm not wrong. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 6 filters. So the instructions are given on the box itself. So you wanna soak this filter for 10 minutes. And then while you're doing that, you would want to clean your espresso machine with the tablet. And I've already actually put the tablet here. So what you want to do is, here's the tablet. So just put this aside for now. So all you need is, you need a single shot head here. And then you're going to put this over here. And then kind of like a stopper that comes with your espresso machine. You want to put it over there. And then on top, you're going to put the tablet like that. So this is what you're going to do. And then put it over here. So what I'm going to do here is turn this back. Now let me go and soak this filter for 10 minutes and I'll be back. So I have put the filter and I'm going to leave it there for 10 minutes. Okay, so in order to clean your machine with the tablet, what you have to do is hold the power and the double as well as a single shot together. Okay? Okay? There you go. Now the water is going to be coming either from there or it's gonna come from the back of this machine as well, because if you remember, we put a stopper, the black rubber thingy, under the tablet. That is not going to allow the water to pass through because it doesn't have any hole. Okay? Mind you that this process will take you 4 to 5 minutes because it's still working, because the light is still blinking. If you can see here, the clean descale mode is still on. So I'm just gonna leave it there for like 5 minutes and see for how long will the light blink. And you don't have to panic or anything, so just leave it like that for at least 5 minutes. So as you can see, it just started again. I think this is my 3rd time. And you won't be seeing the water coming from here, but it's, I think, somewhere coming from the back, because like I said, it doesn't have a hole on the rubber to pass through the water, so that's why. Just wanted to show that you can see the water is filled over here. Like I said, and this is my 5th time cleaning. You have to make sure that your tank is filled with water. As you can see, my water is up until here. Okay, so the cleaning process is complete. You can see water. And the light's gone, which is a good sign. I mean, your purpose is to have that clean descaling mode off. Otherwise, something is wrong with your machine, and which is not good. So I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to clean the water tank finally. And it's about almost 3 minutes left that I need to change my filter as well. Yeah, so I'll be back. So as you can see here, I filled up the tank and I'm gonna put it on the back now. And I'm gonna be... Okay. Let me put this back here. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this here as well and make sure this is out. Now I'm gonna select the one shot button. Okay, I'm gonna do the steam. Now I'm gonna do the water. So I'm gonna complete this process, the cycles, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm done, okay? Okay, so I'm done cleaning up the tank and I've also washed it already. So the last thing I need to do is replace the filter. Now we're ready to take the filter out and then put it inside here like this, and then close the lid like that. So then I'm gonna put this here, put it inside. And what I'm going to do is I only use filtered water from my refrigerator, so I don't use tap water, just so, because you know it has a lot of chemicals in it and all that stuff. So so it's already filtered, and on top of that I'm using a filter itself in the coffee machine, so which is good. So I'm going to be pouring this water here. So this filter should last me for about 2 months. It says that I change it after every 60 days. So I'm gonna be putting this in the back now. And so here we are, the cleaning, descaling sign is no longer there. And I'm happy and I can enjoy a cup of coffee now. A good cup of coffee, and I hope it'll taste good. So yeah, thanks all for watching my video, and if you do like, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more contents. And I'm going to be putting the products list on the description box, all bought from Amazon. Okay, well, I'll see you next time. Bye, thank you. So actually I decided to get a cup of coffee and one shot, and it's brewing good so far. And I can see the shot is coming well as well, and I hope it tastes good as well. So yeah, okay, so it looks like this, and I'm very happy. It's one shot, and just so I thought of sharing that I get my coffee from Costco. It's this Rutamaya 100% organic coffee. I think this is about $17 if I'm not wrong, and it's a big pack. It's about 2.2 pound. Yeah, it's 2.2 pounds, and it's a big one. I mean, this lasts me for like a month and a half, or at least 2 months. Yeah, and I drink like at least 3 to 4 shots a day. I do single shots every time, because I used to do double shots, and I've cut down to single shots so that I don't drink a lot of coffee a day. So the max would be like 4 shots, right? Okay, that's all I wanted to share. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.